So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are facing issue while opening the GitHub repository. Like when you click on the link, sometimes it shows too many requests, sometimes it does not respond. So the problem is not from our end, our side everything is fine. The problem is from GitHub end only. Due to huge traffic, sometimes you may face that too many requests. So what you can do, you can wait for some time and refresh the browser window, or try after 1 or 2 hours. It will be fixed automatically. This was the quick update because most of you were commenting yesterday that we are unable to open the GitHub link. There is no problem. You can see I'm just opening it also, and it's working fine. Here if you're getting too many request error, just refresh the link, just reload it like this and it will be fixed, or just try after 1 to 2 hours. And all the solutions for all the games are already live on the channel. You can just check it out. So here you can see all the solutions are there. Complete it as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.